Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the audio quality on Spotify. Super simple. Just go up here to your name, select settings, and there will be an audio quality. So there's streaming quality and like a download quality. So this is the recommended setting, which is on. You can also adjust the volume level here as well. But if you want the streaming quality to be very high, you're just going to select it to very high. And also if you downloaded the song, you want the like audio quality to be very high as well, you can enable that. And that's basically it. You also have these other options on settings to like enable autoplay and choose the language of the app itself. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!